Hey everybody, this is Zach from Myshire Farm, and I have some very exciting news. We are starting a brand new playlist today on our YouTube channel, Myshire Farm. The last playlist that we just finished was New to Quail and What I Need to Know. This playlist is going to be the hatching process. So we've already talked about whether you should start with hatching eggs, and if you do start with hatching eggs, what type of quail do you want, and the housing and things like that. In this process, we're going to assume that you ordered hatching eggs and they are being shipped in from somewhere. Now, hopefully you checked us out at myshirefarm.com, but if you didn't, it's the same deal. So we're going to help you along every step of the way. So we're going to assume that the eggs came in. Now, the first thing you need to know is the viability of the eggs. The fertility of the eggs stays the same from day 1 that they're laid until day 7. On day 7, they start to lower in fertility just a little bit, about 5% a day. Once it hits day 10, it starts dropping off dramatically. So if you order from Myshire Farm, we might take a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks to send them out, but they are laid the same day that they are shipped out, okay? So you have the eggs. Whether it took 2 days to get there, overnight, or 5 days, it's okay. This is what we recommend. Open the box, put them on the counter somewhere in a room temperature. Let them sit for 24 hours. This allows the air cell to stabilize, okay? Once 24 hours happen, you are going to put them in the incubator. There is absolutely no reason for you to candle on day 1 unless you want to check for cracks. We do not recommend it. We recommend you putting them in unless there is a visible crack that you can see. Now, once they're in the incubator, we're going to go through every step of the process. But the first thing you need to know is it's okay if they are delayed, whether they're from us or another breeder. It doesn't matter whether you bought them from a website or Facebook or eBay. It's okay. They are viable for 7 days without fertility dropping. Sit them on the counter in a room temperature and just let them breathe for 24 hours. In the next video, we are going to discuss they're in the incubator. What do we do now? All right, so stay tuned. I hope you like this playlist. I hope you like this series. I hope it helps on your journey with Coturnix quail. Please check out our website, and please, please, please hit the like button and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Thanks.